everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really exciting to share with you. We are diving into the world of skincare technology with the Ziip Halo device. If you're looking for a way to elevate your skincare routine, this might be just the gadget for you. Hi, I'm Ala Shapiro and this is the Spa Runner channel. First things first, let's talk about what the Ziip Halo device is. This little gadget is a microcurrent and nanocurrent device designed to give you professional grade skincare treatment at home. It's compact, easy to use, and promises some impressive results. Let's open this up. So when you open, you will see the device. It's really tiny, sleek and elegant. Look at this. This is beautiful. You have a charger. I already charged it. I already used it. And you have a product. You need this product. It's called Ziip Electric Complex Conductive Gel to use the product. So we will talk about how to use this product in a few seconds. You also have a manual inside of here, like quick manual, and then you have a user guide. What also comes with this is an app. The app you can follow, they have different techniques that you can use with this little device, different areas that you can treat. It's a very easy to use app. You just turn it on and you follow along. The device itself feels sturdy and well made, and it's tiny. You can travel with it very easily. And like I said, the app will guide you through different treatments for the face and neck. You can either do full face or you can just do one area at a time. So you can either lift or you can do lips, and I will show you how to do this. Before I show you how to use this device, I would like to invite you to experience the signature scalp facial at the Woodhouse Day Spas. It is an 80-minute facial which includes microcurrent technology and gua sha technique. It lifts and sculpts the skin, leaving you glowing and sculpted. For more information, check out the websites here. Now let's start with the full face demonstration of Ziip Halo. This takes about 12 minutes. I'm going to show you and fast forward. I'm not going to make this video so long. Make sure to subscribe as I will be showing different areas of treatment in the future. We're going to start with the clean face. I already washed my face. Then we're going to apply the conductive gel that the product comes with. And we're going to apply it all over the face, under the eyebrow, under the eye, on the neck. And just to say, this gel feels very luxurious. It's not as sticky and drying as some other gels that I tried with other devices. This is actually very hydrating. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the app and I'm going to click on a button called Sync Treatment. It's actually through Bluetooth. It's going to sync to this device, and the device is going to beep when we are done with the certain area of the face. So let's do it. We need to turn it on. And here you see it's on. It beeped. It says Bluetooth should be on. It says has successfully synced. So we are ready to start. How? If you get electrical shock, which I just did, it means that you didn't apply the gel as much as you need to do. So I'm going to apply a little more. And I want to stop and show you two sides, the treated side and not treated side. Do you see the lines? Do you see the difference in lines? Do you see the difference in eyebrows? This one is lifted, this one is not. Didn't have any wrinkles on my forehead, but we would have seen improvement if I did. But look at the difference, this side and this side. You can specifically see it in these lines right here. And now I'm going to do the second side, and I will show you at the end how it looks. So I'm done with this treatment on both sides. You can see my eyes are lifted, my lines are improved, no lines here. The neckline is improved as well. And I just recently started to use this device. The results are cumulative, so you need to use it a couple of times a week to see the improvement, but you can see after one session that you will see improvement. The treatments that you can do with this is anti-aging, acne, and brightening. You need to use this device about 10 minutes a day, 2 to 3 times a week for best results. I've been using this device for a few weeks now, and I have to say I'm very, very impressed. My skin feels firmer, and I've noticed a reduction in fine lines. It's like having a mini facial at home. Plus, it's so convenient and easy to use. If you want to purchase this device, you can get 10% off by going through the link that I will leave in the description and their first comment. So there you have it. The Ziip Halo device is a fantastic addition to any skincare routine. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.